Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to describe some point regarding how to create YouTube channel and proper channel art. Okay, so actually there is I see several video regarding YouTube channel creation and channel art, but none of this video is really describing all things, so user can create easily seeing this video. So all source will be available in single video, right? So this is the exact point for this point, okay, where you will get exact banner art image with proper size, so you can implement all your image. So let's start our topics. So to create YouTube channel, obviously you need one Gmail ID. So YouTube is the part of the Gmail, so just log into your Gmail. Okay, after you log in your Gmail, just go to your icon at the right top. Okay, if you have already created some of a channel, then you can go to your channel. If you have not created your channel, then when you click here, it will give option to create your channel. When you click on your channel, it will say to create new channel. Okay, I have already some channel, so I'll go to my channel. After then when I click here the gear icon, I'll go to here creator studio. Okay, after creator studio, it will show me some option here to create some channel. So here is setting. Okay, creator studio setting. When I click here gear icon beside my creator studio, it says me like this. Okay, so you can see here all channel or create new channel. So I am creating new channel, so I am clicking add option here. So I'll give the name for my channel. My channel name is, obviously here I have created one logo. This is my channel. Okay, Nepal Online, this is my channel. I have already created logo. I'll show you after how to create this logo channel art. First, after I create this channel, okay, Nepal Online, give the name. After then create. It is loading. Okay, my channel is created now. Okay, so now I have to click on customize my channel, right? I have no any banner here, no any clip art here, so I'll create clip art also. This is a very important point for creating clip art. So here after you create your clip art, you can add your clip art here. Okay, but before adding clip art, we need to go to we need to consider this clip art size should be 2560 by 1440 pixel. Okay, so if this is from paint, see I open this one from paint. So if you see the property, it is 2560 1440 pixel. Okay, so first thing, this is difference in your mobile and computer and tablets. Its size will be, clip art size will be different, so you have to define all the size as per your clip art. Okay, so first thing you go to clip art background, obviously. So first thing we need to put our logo here, so I'll open my logo here with paint. Okay, so select this logo. Please see carefully so you understand everything I'm going to say. Just select this logo and copy and go to your banner art here and paste here. Okay, so your logo will be here. Okay, So this text should be vanished from here. This is for mobile view. So to hide this text here, copy paste, so you can hide this text like this. Okay, so after that you can type here edit text online, right? You can make this color white, and you can make this size obviously big, 150. It is loading. Okay, it is loaded. So just make it 150, sorry, 150. So just adjust this one. From paint it is very easy to create channel art, guys. And again, okay, leave this as it is. Okay, so here you can write some more text. Informative video, you can make this size smaller one. Okay, so just make this one 50. Informative video with news and with informative video, news and technology. So you can make it little here. So my channel is ready. So here you can delete everything and you can write something here. Here this text you can delete because this shouldn't be here actually, right? So delete this one. After then you can write down here something text. This is white background, so it is not appearing here, so make it blue. So you can make this one 100. Let's see how much it will be, right? So same way you can copy this text and you can put here. If this only will be seen in case someone is viewing this one in your channel. Okay, so you can put your logo again here. So anyway you can design this one, but your size should be so you can adjust this size. Okay. And here you can write some text. Here you can make it this text all red. Okay, so here you can write some text. If someone is viewing this one in mobile device, computer device, then it's come like this. make enter. Okay, so here you can write some text. You can make it little bigger, 120. So you can drag it little down and make this color green. Okay, so your channel is ready. So in this way, so I'll show you this part. Only this part will be shown in your mobile, okay, and all this part up to here it will shown in your PC computer, and for all this part it will be shown in your TV. Okay, so our channel is ready. So after this channel art is ready, I'll go to my YouTube channel, and it should be size, should be exactly 1260 by 1450. Okay, and its size should not be more than 6 MB. It is written here 2560 into 1440, file size 6 MB. So just now I created my channel art. So from this video you learned how to create channel art also. So I'll give here name, because this is very important to give name for channel art. Okay, or better you can, to rank your video, I'll give you one tips also. You can open this one, and you do some SEO factor. Go to property, so here in detail you can give here 5 star for all images. This is SEO purpose. Okay, give this one 5 star rating. Okay, tags Nepal online, this is tags. Okay, so you can copy this one. Subtitle, subject you can put same, and title you can type as per your channel art online. So save, apply, and save this image, rename this image. So when you create some image like this, it will obviously give power to some SEO factor. So open this one. So it will show you how your channel looks like. See, everything is clear here. This is for TV, right? This is for your PC desktop. This is for your, as we exactly created, it's showing like this, mobile device. Okay, so select, see. Okay, so in this way you can create your, so okay guys, in this way you can create your channel. Obviously I don't want to take you a long time. Okay, so thank you for seeing this video. Hope you like this video. Please kindly do favor me with subscribing this our channel. Thank you.